AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi has said, keep on slaughtering beef, and this remark has now stoked a massive controversy. It was Asaduddin Owaisi who was visiting a beef shop during his election campaign in Hyderabad city. He visited a shopkeeper and said, Rehan Beef Shop Zindabad, keep on slaughtering. The BJP has come down heavily on Owaisi. BJP is saying they are not amazed. They know that these kind of hate remarks are being made by Asaduddin Owaisi very regularly.
असदुद्दीन ओवैसी पार्टी प्रचार कर रहा है उसके पार्लियामेंट क्षेत्र में। भाई प्रचार करो, वोट मांगो, वोट देने वाला देगा, नहीं देने वाला नहीं देगा, लेकिन तुम जिस प्रकार से एक बीफ की दुकान पर जाकर खाते रहो, बीफ काटते रहो, इसका क्या संदेश देना चाह रहे हो आप? आज भारत का 100 करोड़ हिंदू गाय को अपनी माता मानता है और सारे के सारे हिंदू समाज की भावनाओं से आप खेल रहे हो, तो क्या आपके ऊपर क्या केस नहीं होना चाहिए? क्या इलेक्शन कमीशन क्या आपके ऊपर एफआईआर नहीं करना चाहिए?
There's a video that has now surfaced of Asaduddin Owaisi, AIMIM chief. During his election campaigning, he was seen visiting many people in old Hyderabad city. While on his campaign trail, he visited a shopkeeper. The shopkeeper is the owner of Rehan Beef Shop. Asaduddin Owaisi, who was speaking through a mic, said, Rehan Beef Zindabad, Rehan Beef Shop Zindabad, keep on slaughtering. The BJP has come down heavily on Asaduddin Owaisi. The BJP says that they are not amazed that he has made these kind of hateful remarks. Beef this time too has become a big political issue. From Himachal Pradesh to Telangana, these kind of statements are now stoking a communal angle to the entire election campaigning. Now, AIMIM chief's big controversial remark has come to the fore. During his door-to-door campaigning in the old Hyderabad city, AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi has made a big controversial remark. While visiting a beef shop, he was seen saying Rehan Beef Shop Zindabad. Owaisi also went ahead and said, keep on slaughtering beef. Following this, the BJP has now slammed the AIMIM chief, stating Owaisi's comments are indecent. In fact, it was Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman who trained her guns at Owaisi. Finance Minister stated Owaisi is known to make such hateful remarks. She further took a dig at Owaisi's brother, asserting that his brother is also known to make such hurtful statements. Now we are seeing the top leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman also has now responded to the controversial remark being made by Asaduddin Owaisi. Asaduddin Owaisi has now said that one should keep on slaughtering beef. Let's listen in to the bite.
Rehan Beef Shop Zindabad. Kasharwal. 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 रेहान बीफ शॉप जिंदाबाद काशरवाल।
ओवैसी जी जो अभी सिटिंग पार्लियामेंट मेंबर है, वो ओल्ड सिटी हैदराबाद से जीत कर आते हैं। उनका राजनीतिक बयान कभी भी अभद्र होते हैं। मुझे आश्चर्य नहीं होता ऐसे बयान उन्होंने दिया। सांसद भी असादुद्दीन ओवैसी जी भी और उनके छोटे भाई भी जो एमएलए हैं उधर, ऐसे ही एक्सट्रीम भाषण देने में माहिर।
Asaduddin Owaisi's slaughter beef remark has now stoked a massive controversy. AIMIM chief has said that keep on slaughtering beef. Owaisi, who was visiting a beef shop during his election campaign in the old Hyderabad city, went to the shopkeeper and said, Rehan Beef Shop Zindabad, then went ahead, shook hands with the shop owner and said, keep on working, keep on slaughtering. It is the BJP which is now raising fingers at the AIMIM chief and saying that he has been making these kind of controversial statements and has been hurting the sentiments of the Hindu community. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman also has said that she has known both Asaduddin Owaisi as well as his MLA brother to be making these kind of hurtful comments that actually hurt the sentiment of the Hindu community. This was during his door-to-door campaigning in Hyderabad that he made this comment. The video that you see on your screens surfaced from old Hyderabad city. This while Asaduddin Owaisi was doing a door-to-door campaign.